welcome back to my videos. Learn English with Kavya. So I'm Kavya.
And I'm her mom. Friends, before starting our video, I would like to apologize to you all. Sorry, हम लोग थोड़ा सा consistent नहीं रह पा रहे हैं because of many like personal reasons. तो हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम आपके साथ रोज़ रेगुलर रहे. Apologies for not being regular, and thank you so much for liking our videos. Okay, Kavya, let's begin.
Yeah.
So Kavya, today's topic is
Stop saying nice.
stop saying nice. Yes, this is something different. तो nice नहीं कहेंगे तो काव्या, by the way, the t-shirt which you have worn is quite nice.
Thank you.
So nice dress,
Thank you.
nice house,
Thank you.
nice pictures.
Thank you.
बट फ्रेंड्स, आप देख रहे होंगे कि ये नाइस बार बार होता जा रहा है. सो आज हमारा टॉपिक ही इसी के रिलेटेड है, जैसे कि काव्या ने आपको बताया, स्टॉप saying nice. So friends, you can always upgrade your English with these alternative words which we are going to discuss with you all. So काव्या, क्या आप बता सकते हैं हमारे फ्रेंड्स को कौन कौन से alternative words हैं?
Yes. Charming, enjoyable,
Okay.
and pleasing.
Charming, enjoyable, pleasing, and there are some advanced word as well like exquisite, splendid, wonderful. तो काव्या, ये वर्ड्स तो हमने अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता दिए, लेकिन फ्रेंड्स माइट बी कंफ्यूज. तो ये हमें वर्ड्स बता रहे हैं, इसको हम नाइस की जगह पे कैसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो लेट्स एक्सप्लेन टू आवर फ्रेंड्स.
Yeah.
ओके, लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड.
The first word is charming.
Charming. So charming. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि how we can use the word charming. So charming is also a compliment, right? Nice basically is a word which is used for complimenting others. तो हम उस compliment में जो word nice use करते हैं उसकी जगह हम charming भी use कर सकते हैं. So Kavya will tell us the example.
She gave me a charming smile.
She gave me, and like the way she is giving, Kavya is giving a charming smile to all of us. तो वो charming as in cute. तो आप cute की जगह पे charming भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's begin with another example, Kavya.
Kavya is very polite and a charming girl.
Polite? I don't think so that she is polite. Friends, इसकी भोली भाली चेहरे पे मत जाना. She is not a polite. She is quite naughty. But okay, let's consider this as well. Kavya is polite and a charming girl.
I'm a polite girl.
Okay, I'll say yes. Kavya is a polite and a charming girl. So इस तरीके से आप charming words का use कर सकते हैं. So what is the another word, Kavya?
The another word is wonderful.
Wonderful is also an expression of excitement, of thrilling, something like which makes you quite surprised. तो वहाँ पर भी आप wonderful का use कर सकते हैं. For example,
Thank you for the wonderful gift.
yes, of course. जब आपको किसी को thank you करना है, someone has presented you something, तो instead of saying nice, you can say thank you for the wonderful gift. Another example.
Our friends give wonderful comments on our videos.
ये तो 100% right example है. Thank you so much for sending us wonderful comments on our videos. Okay, so next word is enjoyable. Yes. तो ये थोड़ा सा surprising है कि हम enjoyable कैसे use कर सकते हैं. So let's begin with the example.
The movie was enjoyable for the whole family.
तो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख रहे हैं कि नाइस अगर हम बोले द मूवी वॉज नाइस टू वॉच, तो वो बहुत ही कॉमन सा है. तो आप उसकी जगह पे, क्योंकि मूवी गिव्स यू प्लेजर, सो उसकी जगह पे आप वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द मूवी वॉज एन्जॉयबल टू वॉच विद होल फैमिली. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल.
We had an enjoyable walk in the park.
Yes, fresh kind of like अब हम लोग गए थे walk पे, so we had chit chat over there, we had gossip and we played, so it was an enjoyable session. So you can say there, instead of nice, you can say we had an enjoyable walk in the park. Another word is exquisite, something outstanding, commendable. So you can, this is like some advanced word. So you can use this word as well. So for example, you can say my friend wore an exquisite dress in the wedding. So exquisite means something unique, something outstanding, something different from others. So there you can use exquisite. Kavya, can you give us another example?
The restaurant is famous
For its exquisite food. लेकिन काव्या आपने ना एक चीज़ गलत बोल दी है इसमें, एंड दैट इज रेस्टोरेंट. नो, द वर्ड इज रेस्टोरेंट. इसका जो लास्ट का टी होता है वो हमेशा साइलेंट रहता है. सो गाइस, in place like the way you say restaurant, no, it is the wrong pronunciation. You should say the restaurant is famous for its exquisite food. That means commendable food, outstanding food. Okay, the another word which you can use there is splendid, right Kavya, am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, splendid means outstanding. Another word for exquisite, you can say it is a synonym also. So exquisite or splendid or unbeatable, like the meaning of splendid can be taken as unbeatable. So for example, my friend gave an splendid performance in the presentation, or Virat Kohli had given a splendid performance in the previous match. So you can use the word splendid in this way. So Kavya, now we are left with the word pleasing. लेकिन pleasing के बारे में हम नहीं बताएंगे. Now it is
your turn to famous sentence in the comment.
Till then,
Like, share and subscribe.